all you have to do, it comes with the drill, and then you plug in the cord to the back, and you stick the end into a USB port, and your nail drill is ready to go. So on the cord it has a little controller, so this is going to make it go forwards, and then in the middle it's off and on, and then it goes in reverse, and it also has a speed control, so you can turn it, this is all the way down and it goes all the way up depending on what you want to do with your nails. So if I'm just doing a little manicure, I can have this will help file down my nails, smooth them out. This works really, really great. It doesn't hurt, very gentle on your nails. I can buff them out. If you do your own acrylics, this will be amazing for that as well. You can shape them. Super nice. Once you're done, you just turn it off, and then this is where your pins go, right in the front.
I just got this drill, and let me tell you, it's really, really, really good. I really love it. And it takes the poly gel really fast, and the acrylic too. It's wonderful. I'm so happy. And the color, so beautiful. Black. Look at that. Beautiful.